everyday cleaning of CTX after you've been into sea. Get rid of white sand and clean. So there's rubber band off. That's just in case I catch these while I'm in the sea. You can hear clicks. You can see seals there. So remove it. With the sand, a lot of fine white powder sand on it. Tissue here. Wipe sand off. Right. And making sure that there's no sand inside the seal groove. Making sure there's no sand attached to groove seal. Happy with that. Silicone grease. A little bit on this. Around. Just keeps it a bit. Oh, so it stays rubbery. Back up on CTX. Trying to get it back in. I do this every time I've been in sea or down to the beach. You know, white powder sand's a nightmare. And back up. There's also a little bit on here. A little bit of grease on it. Unit. Wipe it around. And then back on. You're about to get a click. It's a heavy duty seal I've put on. Back to it, put them back on, and ready to go again. That's it. Thanks for watching.